Hello children, Sai Ram. Children, today we are going to do active English. Now all of y'all will take out your active English book, pencil and eraser. Okay children, now all of y'all are ready with your active English book. Now children, y'all will open chapter 12. Which chapter? Chapter 12. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about can, cannot, can't. Okay children, shall we start? Okay. Now can. When will we use can? Can is used when you want to say something which is possible. Can is used when you want to say something which is possible or someone has the ability to do something. Again, can is used when you want to say something which is possible or someone has the ability to do something. Okay, see this. Now examples teacher will give. Okay, we are going to learn how to write sentences using the word can. We are going to learn how to write sentences using the word can. Now look at this boy. He's saying hello. Now see. Now I am giving you examples. I can speak English. Means I have the ability to speak, or it is possible for me to speak English. One, I can speak English means I have the ability to speak English, or it is possible for me to speak English. Isn't it children? So you know you can speak in English. Okay, now next. What is this man giving this lady? He's giving a pen. Now see here. You can use my pen. Means you have the permission to use my pen. You can use my pen. Here you use can. Means you have the permission to use my pen. Suppose children you have not bought your pencil. Now your friend gives you a pencil. He says you can use my pencil. Means he is giving you permission to use his pencil. Okay. Now complete the sentences using can. Now we will complete the sentences using can. Okay. First one. I dash cook. What is the correct answer over there? Tell me children. Yes, correct. I can cook. I dash cook means I can cook. Now look at the second picture. This man is driving a truck. So, you dash drive a truck. Now, what will write over there? Yes, you will write can. You can drive a truck. You can drive a truck. Next one. Girl is playing the piano. She dash play a piano. Now children, tell me what you will write over there. Yes, you will write can. She can play a piano? First one, I can cook. Second, you can drive a truck. Third, she can play a piano. Okay, children, that means they can. This girl can cook. This man, he can drive the truck, and this girl can play the piano. That means they go have the ability to do whatever they are doing. Okay, next one. Now, can't or cannot. Now, can't is the short form for cannot. We can use can't or you can use cannot. Okay, children, now you will see what is the meaning of can't or cannot. Can't or cannot is used to show disability or do not have permission. Can't or cannot is used to show disability or do not have permission. Disability means you cannot. I cannot sing. Okay. Now, do not have permission means you don't have permission to use my pen. That means you are not having permission to use your friend's pen. Okay, now look here. The use of can't. See here. First one. Here I will meaning of can't. I can't swim means I do not have the ability to swim, or it is not possible for me to swim. That means I can't swim. I don't know how to swim. Means I can't swim means I do not have the ability to swim, or it is not possible for me to swim. Second one, you can't use my pen. He is not giving permission to use his pen. Means you don't have the permission to use my pen. Second one, you can't use my pen. Means you don't have the ability, you don't have the permission to use my pen. Okay, children. Next. Now, complete the sentences. Now, children, you all have to think and do on your own. Okay? Teacher will help you all out. First one. I can't see anything. What you will write down? Yes, you will write, he cannot see anything. Can't is just a short form for cannot. You can write can't or you can write cannot. He cannot see anything because his eyes is, he has closed his eyes with a cloth. Yes. Second one, I can't stop. See, he can't stop his car. So, he cannot stop. I can't stop. He cannot stop. First one, I can't see anything. He cannot see anything. Second, I can't stop. He cannot stop. Okay, children? Finished? Now we'll go to the next slide. Okay. Next one. Now see this. She's having, the bag is so heavy. So what she's saying? I can't carry the bag. So what will be the answer here? She dashed the bag. Children tell? Yes. She cannot carry the bag. Very good. Next one. I can't start the car. Now what you'll write over here? Think, children. Yes, he cannot start the car. Next one, fifth one. We can't go down. See, they are sitting on top of the roof. They can't go down. So what you'll write over there? They cannot go down. Smart children. Again. I can't carry the bag. She cannot carry the bag. I can't start the car. He cannot start the car. We can't go down. They cannot go down. Now, next chapter. Now, this door is closed. They can't see. They are inside. They are not able to open the door. We can't get out. So what you'll write over there? Yes, they cannot get out. We can't get out. They cannot get out. Very good. See what happened to this boy? He's got tape stuck in his lips. No? So funny, no? Okay, see here. I can't talk. Now children, you all only tell me. Yes. He cannot talk. I can't talk. He cannot talk. Very good children. You all finished? Yes, smart children. Now we'll go to the next slide. Now children, we finished with chapter 12. Now we will do chapter 13. May I. Okay, now we will do chapter 13. May I. See this. Now, what is may I? May I means asking permission to do something. It is used where you want to sound respectful. May I means asking permission to do something. It is used where you want to sound respectful. Example, may I use your phone please? You are asking for permission. You are asking. So your friend says, yes, you may. When you ask, may I use your phone? See, your friend is saying, he is giving you permission to use his phone. Yes, you may. Second one, may I go to the mall please? You are asking your mother permission to go to the mall. What you are asking your mother? May I go to the mall please? So, mother is giving you permission to go to the mall, isn't it? Mother is saying, yes, you may go. Mother gave you permission to go to the mall. Understood, children? Very good. Now we will use these words and we'll write questions and answers. Okay, children? Like, may I open the door please? May I close the window please? So we will write the questions and answers. Okay, teacher will show you. See here. Now, write the questions and answers. First one. May I open the door? What you will write over there? See, this girl is opening. May I open the door? Please. That girl is asking that man, may I open the door please? So what does the man says? Yes, you may. May I open the door please? Yes, you may. Now second one. Dash. Dash, close the door. Dash. What's the girl asking for permission? May I close the door? What? Yes, please. So, she's given permission. So, it's yes, you may. Again, may I open the door, please? Yes, you may. May I close the door, please? Yes, you may. Next one. Now, what is this boy doing? He's opening the window. So what he's asking? May I open, tell, the window please? He's asking, may I open the window please? Yes, you may. You're given permission. He's given permission to open the window. Now what is this girl doing? May I close the window please? She's asking for permission to close the window. Yes, you may. May I close the window please? Yes, you may. Next one. What is his mother giving the girl? She's giving her sweet, okay? May I? What is the girl asking for permission? May I have a sweet please? She's asking her mother, may I have a sweet please? Mother is saying, yes, you may. May I have a sweet please? Yes, you may. Okay, children? Finished? Understood? Okay. Shall we go to the next slide? Now, see here. This girl, what is she asking this lady? You tell me. Yes, see, what is she's asking her? May I take a new book, please? She's the library and she's asking the librarian, can I take a new book, please? She's asking for permission. Yes, you may. May I take a new book, please? Yes, you may. Now look at the next picture. This girl and this man is in the shop. Tell me, now you tell me, what is this? Yes. May I take a sweet, please? This girl is asking the shopkeeper, may I take a sweet, please? She's saying, yes, you may. Next one. What is this? What is this girl asking that man? Yes, she's asking, may I have a new book, please? Man is saying, he's giving her permission. Yes, you may. Children, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye, children.